guys think it's a joke. No, it's not. This is a 7-star project right here in Northern Cyprus. This is going to be an amazing investment opportunity with some affordable properties here, as well as more luxurious penthouses. We are on the construction site now, and this is absolute exclusive because normally we are not even allowed to be here. This one is a 7-star project with advanced infrastructure, pools and everything. This is the new concrete laid over there for the hotel, and over here this is the first block of the residence building. This is 10th floor, and you can actually already predict what is the view going to be from the 26th or 27th floor. This is the maximum height of the building. Take a look at this. Wow! You have never seen anything like this before. This building is going to be just about 26th or 27th floor, and that's absolute maximum that I know of in Northern Cyprus. It's absolutely stunning view from all sides. I'm just going to show you a little bit more of it. Welcome to North Cyprus. Let us know if you're interested to purchase this wonderful project. Thank you very much for watching, and bye-bye.